Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off auto update for app on Google Play Store. So we have two methods. So yeah, we will go through both of them. So stay tuned. So we will start with the first one, which is for single specific app. So this is the best approach if you want to keep your other app updated. Now open the Google Play Store and then use the top search bar to find the specific app you want to lock and tap on its main storage listing page. So let's say and find one. For example, I have Temu installed just like that. Now you will see three vertical dots icon at the top right corner. So if you click on that, you will see enable auto update and next to it is checkbox. So if you uncheck this box, now you will don't have any update automatically. So with that, you will turn off auto updates. All right, now the second method is basically to turn off auto updates globally for all apps. So what you are going to do is you will go to your profile icon at the top right corner and click on it. Now you will navigate yourself to the settings from the menu overlay. And now you will navigate to network preferences. And here you will find auto update apps, just like that. And now here you have some options. So choose the don't auto update apps, the last one. And yeah, then yeah, this is pretty much it. And yeah, I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.